Good morning. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Today is Wednesday. Well, it's Wednesday, the day that I'm recording this video. You might see it on Thursday, Friday, or sometime after. But today, Aldi has candles. But before we get into all that, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always checking my videos out. I'm gonna put some of this candy, what is this called? Coconut candy apple hand cream. When I tell y'all this is so good, I really like this because it has that unique scent. It smells like candy apple with a hint of coconut. And y'all know your girl love coconut. There's no scent notes on the back, but I really like this. This is nice, really nice. But like I said, Aldi has candles, the designer jar candles. I think I'm gonna just grab one of those candles because they are, I think they're $8.99. Also, y'all, if you do not own a candle warmer, the light warmer or lamp warmer, today is your day. Today is the day. Get on out here to Aldi. Aldi got them in the ad, y'all, for $17. If you don't know, Hobby Lobby normally sells the candle lamp warmers for like $40-something, I believe, but you can get them on sale for like $20-something. So if you want to get one of those, Aldi's is the place. I'm not sure how much they are at Walmart because I really don't shop at Walmart, but I probably will add something in here so y'all could just see if it's actually a good deal to buy it at Aldi. Because believe it or not, we all love Aldi. Yes, we do. I know I do. I've been shopping at Aldi's for a couple of years now. So I do love Aldi's. They have a lot of amazing products. But I'm just saying this, y'all. Some things at Aldi's is not always the cheapest place to get it from. I'm just saying. So sometimes you gotta kind of do a little research to make sure that you're getting the best value at Aldi. But today on the lamp warmers, it might be the best deal that you're gonna get on a lamp warmer. So I highly recommend you go out and you grab one of these warmers, these lamp warmers, because you cannot go wrong with the lamp warmer. If you have a candle that's not really throwing real good, use a lamp warmer. It makes a huge difference. So also, did I give a big shout out to my MVP riders? If you're watching everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthrough, no matter what I put out, if you're watching, you are my MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keep posting. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Let me know, are you going to shop this week at Aldi? Or is it a past week for you? I know there's no 3-wick candles, but these designer jar candles are actually really nice, but they're single wick and the price point. So if you're gonna skip on candles this week, I totally understand. I hope y'all do not skip on this lamp warmer. I hope y'all don't. But I'm dragging it. Let's get into the store so we could grab our items. Let's go. They got these things up so high, I can't even reach it. Okay, y'all, I'm out the store. I'm back in the car, as y'all do see. I ended up buying this planner. I really like Aldi planner. I really like their planner. I like the fact that it doesn't have a year on it. It doesn't have the month on it. I love that because I'm horrible at planning things. Most of the time I start and I just fall off. So I think this was like $5, I believe. Yeah, $4.99. And it's actually really cute. I have another one and it says live your dream. So I love this. And then it has like different little quotes in certain areas in the planner. Yeah, really, really nice. So I decided to buy this. Again, y'all. Y'all already know. My store still have tons of these candles, so I just grabbed one. Then I decided to grab only one of the designer candles, and this is the pink one. I don't know if y'all could really see that it's pink, and this one is petals and champagne. This is nice. Soft. I got a feeling it's probably not gonna do good. Like I told y'all earlier today, don't play with these candles. Just go ahead and put them on the warmer, the lamp warmer. They do really, really good on the lamp warmer, as we do all know, and I done said this a number of times in my video. Aldi does candles good, but they do their 3-wick candles good. Their single wick and 2-wick candles, in order to get the most out of your candle, I highly recommend you put it on a lamp warmer. I'm just saying. So this one was $9. That's the reason why I only bought one. But this is supposed to be almost like the Anthropology candles or the Capri Blue candles, the same jar style. So yeah, that's the reason why they're expensive, because they're kind of a spin-off or a dupe or a replica or whatever, however you want to say it, a look-alike, like the Capri Blue or the Anthropology candles. So yeah, I really like the way the jar look. I actually liked all of them, but I didn't want to pay that price for them. And plus, I already got that Paradise Cliff, so I didn't need another one of them. And I think I got like 2 of those. As far as that rain one, I passed on that as well. Also, y'all, like I told y'all, another thing I got. I thought this was so cute. Oh my goodness. I thought this thing was so cute. And I think it's like a dog or something. They had 3 of them, and these been out for a little minute, a couple of weeks now. These are fake flowers. Fake succulent flowers, but I thought it was so cute just to sit on a desk or on a table or something, just to put a little pop of color in my room. So I decided to grab this, and I think this was like $3.99. Then I got 2 of the lamp warmers. Yes, I decided to grab 2 of the lamp warmers. You cannot go wrong with this. And I got it in white. I got 2 in white. One is going to go in my room, and the other one is going to go in like the living room area. So that's the reason why I got 2. And it comes with a 25-watt bulb, a LED bulb it looks like. No, a halogen bulb, I think. So yeah, I think this is going to be really, really good. Now is the time, if you want to try these warmers, these lamp warmers at a pretty good price, grab one. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you, if you're a candle collector, a candle lover, it's a must-have. These are essential items that we need. You know, you need a lamp warmer, you need a plate warmer, you need the candle wick cutter, you need the dipper, you need the snuffer, you need all of those items. I'm just saying, if you're a candle lover, it's just certain things you need. Just like when you want to comb your hair, you need a comb and a brush. So with being a candle lover, some things that you just have to have. You might love, like me, I love some of the vanilla candles, but I know vanilla candles just don't throw good. So therefore, I need a lamp warmer in order to amp up that vanilla candle so it could give me everything that I paid for, so it could do what it's supposed to be doing. So that's the reason why this is an essential tool for candle lovers. You don't have to get this style, I'm just saying. That's something that we all need to have if we into burning candles, is a candle warmer. And also a wax warmer, because if your candles is not throwing good, you can always turn them into wax melts. So yeah, candle warmer, the lamp or the plate. And it's best to, if you decide to get a plate, it's best to do the 2-in-1, where you get the little cup for the wax warmer and then you get the plate where you can just sit the wax on. So yeah, those are essential items. I'm just saying, y'all ain't gotta listen to me. You ain't got, I'm just only saying. I'm not trying to get nobody to spend no money, but this is a deal. And they had them in 3 different colors, as y'all did see. The white, the natural brown, and then the dark brown. So yeah, $17. So leave in the comments, let me know, are you gonna pick up one of these lamp warmers, or is this a total skip for you because you already have one? And also, I know a lot of people probably is going to skip on these design candles because of the price point, and I think they're only like 17 ounces, I believe. Yes, they're 17 ounces. So I'm assuming a lot of people probably going to skip on these candles. Don't get me wrong, these are really good candles. It's just that they're single wick candles. So yeah, and I got a feeling this one might throw light. But this is a scent I don't have. It's very soft. It smells good, but it's soft. So yeah, leave in the comments, is this a skip week for you? Are you gonna grab the lamp warmer? Yes. Thumbs up the video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next. So yeah, see you in the next one. All right, peace.